This is costfold, a Shopify app that calculates true landed cost. Shopify records what you paid your supplier. But freight, duty, and fees arrive on separate invoices, weeks later, and never reach the SKU. Costfold spreads those costs across a receiving, and writes the result back to Shopify's cost per item. It is merchant only, there are no storefront elements, and the app has no access to orders or customer data. There are 3 ways to bring a receiving in. Import purchase orders directly from Stocky, before its API closes. Upload a CSV. Or enter one by hand. This list shows receivings created through all 3 paths. This receiving was invoiced in euros. Costs are converted to the store currency at the exchange rate you set. There are 3 extra costs here. Air freight and import duty are allocated by value. The customs broker fee is allocated by quantity. Each cost can use its own method. Below, every line shows its base cost, and its landed cost after allocation. Allocation is exact to the cent. The rounding remainder is distributed across lines, never dropped, so the allocated total always ties out with the invoice. The margin report puts retail price, supplier cost margin, and landed margin side by side, sorted by the biggest movers. On average, margins here shifted by about 7 points. But the impact is uneven. Heavy, low-value items lose the most to freight. This is exactly what order value alone never shows you. This purchase order carries ocean freight and duty from a Chinese supplier. One click writes the landed cost back to Shopify's cost per item. Here is the product itself. In Shopify administration cost per item now shows the landed value, $23.89, instead of the supplier's $20. Every write stores the previous value first. So the entire receiving can be rolled back with one click. Rollback is never gated by plan. A merchant can always restore their costs. Costfold is $19.39 or $79 a month, each with a 14-day free trial. Weight-based allocation is on the Pro plan. Weighted average write-back is on Growth and above. One job, done exactly.